Well, here we have three little babies. These ones are just so cute and very healthy. Mommy's been doing a great job. Hi. Hi, baby. How are you? Anyway, we're having fun here today, watching over them and loving them up. And of course, their sweet mummy, who's getting some time away from them. And she's just a doll. So cute, such a good mummy. And very happy she's here safe now, and there's food, and her babies are warm. So, we're having fun. This is a great time with these little ones. Especially, this is my little favorite right now, the little white boy. He's super cute. The other ones are too, but I don't know. This guy's special. Good, Mummy.